All right, now that we already have established exactly what we're gonna do, it's detailed, hopefully, you know exactly what you're gonna do. Let's go to creating your weekly plan. Now, if you don't already have, well, let me just say this. Weekly plans are very important, right? It is a foundation to everything. If you're not creating a weekly plan and a weekly schedule for yourself, you need to start. It is so beneficial, and it's going to really help you to stay organized and disciplined in your business and make sure you actually have time for all of the things that you want to do. I know a lot of people say like they have a to-do list and they never can finish. It's because they're not creating a weekly plan. Now, if you don't already have this guide, you need to download it, okay? It's called The Ultimate Guide to Creating a Productive Work Schedule you actually stick to, and it's a step-by-step guide for creating your task management system. If you know me, you know I'm always talking about a task management system. And actually, if you've bought this, you're gonna get to see my digital task management system. I'm actually bringing this guide to life and showing you how to create it with a digital resource that makes it super easy. So kudos to you. In the next video after this with ClickUp, I'm going to show you exactly how I do this guide right here live and in person. But basically, just for overview, the first thing you're going to do is do a brain dump. You're going to make a list of all the tasks that needed to be completed for that week. Don't work from that week. That's what I was talking about. Don't work from that list. That's what I was talking about that a lot of people do. They create the list and then they try to work from it. And it just doesn't work because, number one, most of the time they underestimate the time things will take. They overestimate how much energy they actually have. And it's just, most of the time you're going to choose the things that aren't really high priority or high value just because you don't really feel like doing the other things, and it just won't be beneficial for you. But that's the first step. Then you're going to organize your list. You're going to organize your list by priority, deadlines, and you're going to estimate the time of completion for each task. This is very important because a lot of people create lists or create plans where they create they write out or plan to do 9 hours of work, but they only really have 3 hours available to do it. And that's impossible to do. So it's important that for each task on that list, you're actually estimating how much time you complete it. And it's okay because I'm going to show you in ClickUp, even when you're estimating, you can actually track your time so you're better accurate the next week when you're planning out, especially for things that you do on a consistent basis. And then you're going to create your schedule. You're going to use a plug-in method to create your schedule for the week. And again, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in the next video, where I show you the task management system and how I created it in ClickUp. Again, if you want to just have a written version of it, download the guide. You can find it on my website or any of my social media. I always have a link to it because that's one of the things that most people love, love, love. And it's free, completely free. So let's plan your first week. I want you to pause this. I want you to make a list of all the tasks that you have for the next week, including your goal tactics. And then you want to organize the list and then create your schedule for the week. And let me just say this before we pause the video. I always tell people never separate your business and your personal life, right? You want to make sure you're incorporating everything because you play a lot of different roles. You're not just a business owner. And a lot of times when you create this plan for your business and then your personal life comes in, you're not able to stick to that plan because your personal life for most people is going to trump your business, right? It's the people that we love. It's the things that are most important to us. So of course, they're going to get priority. So it's important that when you're creating your plan, you're taking into account what you have going on in your personal life, and you're plugging and playing that plug-in method, your business, and incorporating all of it. So you want to make sure that you Think about that when you're creating your plan for your first week. So pause the video and let's get to it.